Il-minuta tibda issa Brett Nicholas Brown, direttur għall-palk. Brett, meta ddeċidejt illi rid tibni l-karriera tiegħek fil-mużika, fl-arti u fil-kultura?
I started singing for Opera Australia as a child, and I sang with them through to about 12, 13. From that experience, I just knew that it was who I was.
Kien hemm proġett partikolari li vera definixxa min inti bħala artist?
I think so. It was Baz Luhrmann's A Midsummer Night's Dream in the Sydney Opera House. And we were all painted pink and we had lights in our headpieces. And I was pretty sure at that point that this was the future for me.
Xi proġett qed taħdem fuqu bħalissa li nistgħu nistennew minn għandek fi żmien li ġej?
I'm working with Festivals Malta on new productions of Il Parnaso Confuso and La Corona by Gluck. And these are rarely performed operas with a fantastic cast of Maltese singers and a singer from Milan as well. An amazing orchestra from Palermo, Luke Azzopardi, Anthony Bonici, Moritz Saban in the creative team. I mean, it couldn't be better.